Hello everyone and welcome to day 3 of the Daniel's fast. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make millet. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Millet is a gluten-free grain. It is relatively high in protein like other healthy whole grains, and it is a good source of vitamins, minerals including folic acid, zinc, and iron. To a pot on medium-high heat, we're going to add 2 cups of water. We're going to bring this to a boil. Then we're going to add 1 cup of whole millet. Cover with lid, reduce the temperature down to low medium, and cooked for 25 to 30 minutes. Stay tuned for the verse of the day. Do you not know that your bodies are temples of the Holy Spirit who is in you, whom you've received from God? You are not your own. You were bought at a price. Therefore, honor God with your bodies. 1 Corinthians 6, verse 19 to 20. For you created my inmost being. You knit me together in my mother's womb. Psalms 139, verse 13.